Hello, my name's Lizzie from Stafford Land Rover, and today's 360 exterior and interior tour is on this Range Rover Sport 3.0 D300 Dynamic SE. Now, this vehicle is a diesel with an automatic transmission, is Giola compliant and is finished in Giola green. To start off with, then you have your LED headlights, which are brilliant for illuminating the road ahead of you, especially in those dark conditions. Along with 22-inch satin dark grey alloy wheels with a 5 split spoke finish, really complementing against the Giola green exterior colour. You also have keyless entry, which allows you to either lock or unlock the vehicle, even if the keys are in the bottom of your bag or perhaps even your pocket. Moving to the rear of the car, you can find your electric boot lid, and once open you can see that you've got a substantial amount of room. You could easily fit in a large size suitcase or perhaps even a pushchair. Taking a look at the rear seats, you can find the cloud leather upholstery. The middle seat does fold down to provide an armrest, or you could fold it away to carry that fifth passenger. Moving through the front, you have your multifunctional steering wheel infotainment system, and as we pan around again you find that lovely upholstery once more, providing you and your passengers with the utmost comfort. This car also has a sliding panoramic sunroof, which is brilliant for allowing all the natural light possible into the cabin, giving the car a nice light feel. The front seats are electronically adjustable and the driver's seat is a memory seat, so once you find that comfortable position you are able to resume it every time you enter the vehicle. On your multifunctional steering wheel, which is heated, you have your hands-free options, volume controls and of course your cruise control. Taking a look at your dash, you can see this vehicle has done 10,817 miles, however this is subject to change due to test drives. On your infotainment system you have everything you may need for any journey. Included with this is your navigation system, which allows you to plan any journey you may take in this vehicle, ensuring that you always take the quickest yet safest route possible to those new destinations. You also have your DAB radio, which has all sorts of genres of music suited to everyone, so that you can always find something to listen to no matter what. Along with your Bluetooth connectivity, allowing you to make and receive those important phone calls whilst on the go, ensuring that you're never tempted to pick your phone up whilst driving. You also have Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, which allows you to use Apple or Google Maps, or perhaps just listen to your own music. Your 4x4 information, terrain response drive modes, ride height and weight sensing are all features ideal for those off-road adventures you may find yourself on or perhaps even plan. Furthermore, to help with those off-road days, the 360 view camera does have an off-road feature, ideal for those rough terrains, and of course you also have your 360 view camera, which makes manoeuvring and reversing so much easier. And to help that little bit more, you also have your park assist, whether this is to help you park in a space or perhaps leave one. Moving to your climate control, the front seats in this vehicle are both heated and ventilated, ideal for those hot summer days as well as those colder winter ones, and you also have a dual zone climate where you can individually adjust the temperature suited to either you or your passenger. This has been a presentation on a Range Rover Sport 3.0 D300 Dynamic SE that's now available to purchase from Stafford Land Rover. For more information, please contact our sales team.